I am Raghunath Krishna and you're watching Elephany, where we draw and color 50 stylized elephants.
In this video, we are going to draw and color Grumpy. We will start sketching him from the back to the trunk and end the trunk in a sort of a spiral. We can give an angry impression with the eyelid being straight. That's what we are doing here. We are doing an elongated ear just for styling. And let us give him 4 cute little legs. We'll give him a tail and then the back legs as well. Back legs have become a bit short, so I am extending them by that bit, and then I am giving the same line to the front leg also for uniformity. We'll give him a tusk now. And I am putting the eyeball at the bottom of his eye to make him look a bit angry. We have drawn Grumpy. Now it's time for him to get some color. I'm using a mid-green here for the body. Let us use indigo for the eye. We'll add a bit of black to deepen the eye's color. With this, we have completed drawing and coloring Grumpy. Thank you for watching.